What's up, everybody? Rob here. You are watching ThreadBanger, the channel that just doesn't f***ing die. Now, I've been seeing all your little comments down below, the little Rob Zombie comments. I got it. You're all f***ing very funny. You put the two things together, and you're f***ing hilarious. It got me thinking about brains. It got me thinking about zombies, zombies eating brains, and then it f***ing hit me. Eating brains as Rob Zombie. You know, because it's f***ing Halloween, and I need a goddamn costume. F***ing genius. Halloween on ThreadBanger, am I right? Now, apparently in the United States, you're not allowed to consume, I don't even think you're allowed to own human brains, but you can eat the brains of other animals, which I'm assuming taste maybe the same. We're gonna find out. Can I get like a pound and a half of the veal brains, and maybe like another pound and a half of rabbit brains? Awesome, thank you very much. All right, we're back, and we got a lot of brains, and it's real f***ing gross. Let me show them to you. We got some rabbit brains, which apparently the guy told me are in season, which I don't know what the f*** that means. We got those, and I was thinking, call me f***ing crazy here, I was thinking that maybe I would just make some deep fried rabbit brain. You know the whole deal, flour, eggs, breadcrumbs, and then deep fry the shit out of them. We've also got some veal brain, which is just a baby cow, young cattle, to be polite. We're gonna do like a meatloaf, do the whole ketchup action, some fresh herbs from the garden. And we also picked up some pork brains in milk gravy. Nonetheless, we're gonna have a special guest swing on by for dessert. She's bringing dessert. She said it was zombie safe, zombie friendly, and we're gonna go chow down on these. But before we do any of that, we gotta get in the costume. First step, you gotta get the Rob Zombie t-shirt. Duh, it's a no-brainer, huh? No-brainer? Zombies? Okay, let me get the rest. Rob Zombie, if you didn't know, famous rock star, legendary director. He's got a look. He's got a thing. This is what I pieced together as a costume. Dreadlocks. Also got these like little extensions that you can kind of tie in there. He's got like newspaper boy caps. Sometimes he's got cowboy hats. He's also always wearing like a distressed jean jacket. Boom. Rob Zombie beard. Check. Wow. I got like a mustache that I like interweaved some more dreads into for authenticity. Oh yeah. Last but not least, these little aviator shades that he wears. Huh? Rob Zombie eating f***ing brains. This channel just doesn't f***ing stop, does it? Let's get to f***ing making some brains. All right, over here we got our rabbit brains, which we're gonna deep fry. Oh God, they smell. Oh, Jesus Christ. Where do they go? Oh, there it is. Oh, shit. Okay, flour. Oh, it's so squishy. Oh, Christ. It smells so bad. Gross. Oh, the smell doesn't get any better. Man, I wish you could be here for this just to see how fucking gross this really is. You ready for this? Are you fucking ready for this? Yeah, now we're cooking. How long am I supposed to cook this fucking brain for? But it's smelling pretty fucking good. Little fucking bunny rabbit brains. Here we go. Nice. Okay, all right. Everybody just calm the fuck down. All right, well, those are gonna be done in a few minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna make a little baby cow meatloaf. What do you think about that? Pretty cheap, $9 for a fucking brain. Oh yeah, it's bloody. Oh, gross. All right, we got a lot of blood here. We got a lot of blood. Ugh. I don't fucking know. Holy shit. What would Rob Zombie do? Is my question. He would fucking eat it. He would fucking eat it. He'd make some goddamn meatloaf out of it and he'd fucking eat it. There a little bit of marinara down there as like a base. Oh God. Okay. And then, you know, I don't know your method for making your meatloaf. Some people put barbecue sauce on it. Some people put tomato ketchup. But you just want to coat it real good. Throw some herbs in there, you know what I mean? You get it all fucking fancy and shit. And then now you just throw this in for like an hour. Yeah, let's check back on that fryer. Oh, that one's bubbling up nice. You hear that? Hey, it's a little ASMR action here for you. Yeah, there we go. Look at these little f***ing brain nuggets. How do I eat them is the question. Holy shit, that smells. It smells like some kind of deep fried pickled fish. I don't like it. What do? I don't just f***ing eat it like this. I gotta put some f***ing sauce on this f***ing shit. What do we got? What do we got? Come on, there's gotta be something in here. Oh shit, yeah. Some motherfucking ranch dressing. Oh yeah. Okay, the ranch is gonna do it. How the f do I do this? Oh, what the fuck? I don't want to take this fucking bullshit off. Oh, hold on. Alright, I think I got it. Oh. Oh, there's like little stringy veins holding everything together. It's very gross. You can kind of see where all the where the little brain tubes were. For as soft as it is, it's pretty dense. No amount of ranch is gonna help that situation. That's for fucking goddamn sure. That'll be in my hair. Oh, I gotta take this beard off. Oh, don't try to attempt to eat rabbit brains while wearing wigs and mustaches and shit. I almost choked to death on a fake dread. Holy shit. I don't look like Rob Zombie at all. I look like Axl Rose and Kid Rock. Time to get the brains out of the oven. Oh yeah, look at that motherfucker. What the happened in there? It like smells kind of good. Oh. All right, let's see what we got. Huh, that doesn't look too bad. That doesn't look too bad at all. Yeah, I mean, it looks like a brain for sure. So if you're cool with that, you're in fucking business. It smells fucking delicious. Fucking Rob Zombie eating brains. Such a good idea, Rob. You sure know how to fucking make them, buddy. Oh, fuck. Do I have to do this? I have to do this. I gotta do this. Alright. What is that inside of there? There's all these like weird little fucking tubes and things. And like little blood capsules. Ugh, that just contain little blood pockets. Ugh. That's something else in there. That's like the core meat of the brain. Ugh, what is that? It's like flaky. Oh, it's a flaky part of the brain. Oh. It smells like something that's been like run over. Roadkill. It smells like roadkill. Bottoms up. Ugh. I should have seasoned it a little bit more, but it's not terrible. I'm choking on this hair. Oh, oh, it's all over me. Oh, and I smell like vomit now. Oh, it's all in my hair. Why didn't you tell me? Why didn't you tell me it was in my hair? I'm all over this fucking brand new designer goddamn jacket. Come on. Oh, that was a rough one. Oh, get this stuff out of my face. The worst thing about this is that we still have more brains to eat. But the best thing is that we have Yolanda from How to Cake It coming over. Yolanda, good friend of ours, found out that I died, said I want to bake you a cake because that's what she does. And she said she's also going to deliver it. So she is actually arriving momentarily, which means I have got to clean this fucking place up of vomit and brains. How to Cake It is coming over for fucking dessert. Holy cow. Holy shit.
The front camera in the back.
Wow.
Hello.
Come on in. We're actually just in the middle of shooting something else. And this is perfect timing for dessert.
Is it? Oh, hi. Can I put that down? That looks big. Yay.
So I mean, obviously you made this, you got it on a plane. What was the...
You've never seen cakes on a plane?
No.
I've seen snakes on a plane.
Heyo! It's Curran. For the record, so Yolanda, she was just like, hey, you know, you died. I want to make you a cake. I thought she was gonna send like a little cupcake or something. So I don't know what this is. She was like, I'm jumping on a plane from Canada.
Yeah.
And going to hand deliver you a cake. Not many YouTubers get this treatment. You know what I'm saying?
Is this the first time you've done this?
Yes.
Yeah?
This is the first time.
All right.
Okay, ready?
Oh, wait.
Oh
You
yeah.
have to, yes.
There we go. That's better. Okay.
Okay, ready?
Ooh. Wow. That's some scary shit.
If it's a heart, I'm gonna be pissed.
I know. That would just be rude. Okay, you're gonna turn around? Rob, yeah, come on.
What in the hell is... Oh, it's
It's a tooth.
You seem actually grossed out right now.
Yeah, no, I didn't expect a tooth. That's for sure. So do we cut it? What, I mean, I don't want to...
Yeah, we're gonna cut it.
I love it.
Thank you.
And you know what the best part of it all is we've been eating brains all day. And so this fits in perfectly because this is like zombies love teeth.
Do they?
Yeah, they're like little crunchy candies.
Yeah.
It's like zombie pop rock?
Yeah.
Okay,
So-
I didn't know that.
Like popcorn.
So you came in at the right time.
Okay, cool.
How long did the cake take you?
2 days.
Wow.
Wow.
See, this is artwork. I feel really bad about destroying things like this. You don't usually let Rob
Here, you
wield
can cut,
knives.
like, this is a good piece to cut too.
Yeah, there
cut
you go.
like that.
Oh, that's nice.
You're doing it, you're doing it.
That's nice and
You're
smooth.
doing it.
This thing actually smells really good. Wow. There you go. Yum.
In one.
I'm not supposed to be eating a lot of sugar, but guess what? I don't give a flying f at this point.
Oh, this is ceremonial.
Okay.
Make sure you get ganache.
You're not it.
What?
Enough to rot your teeth?
It smells very chocolatey.
It is so good. Oh, that jam blood.
It's so much better than real blood.
Mmm.
Like honestly, less metallic.
Raspberry? Strawberry?
Very good.
Raspberry.
You know what's up.
Cheers. Mmm.
That's a solid juice. It's so good.
Thank you.
You did it.
Thank you.
Should I keep making
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Yeah. You know how to make a cake.
Should I keep making cake?
Confirmed.
Yeah.
I mean, this could be a thing. I love it. Thank you so much for bringing me cake.
Oh, you're welcome.
Are you going to eat any brains?
We got a couple cans left.
Dum dum.
We got a couple cans of pork brains with milk gravy.
Oh,
So,
this is so not a fair trade. It's not right.
It looks like you want to do it.
Less than 2% water. So it's like, that means it's extra brainy.
Should I open them up? Do I heat them up? What do we do?
yeah. You just pour
You want me
it
to
in
heat it up for you?
Yeah, you open them up.
You want me to fry it up for you? Maybe in the microwave? I'll heat it up for you.
Thank you.
Oh, this is disgusting. Ooh.
Oh, that's actually...
Oh, I'm gonna throw up.
It looks like calamine lotion. Is that a can of calamine lotion? I can't.
I have to turn the fan on though, because it smells that bad. Oh. Oh god, it's so gross. Look at that big chunk in there.
And you can't get this in stores either.
There's a reason, because people wouldn't buy it.
This is an
There needs
Amazon
to be
product.
demand.
I know for a fact
that nobody's walking into stores going, excuse me, where are your pork brains and milk gravy? I am not joking.
Rob, what are you doing to her? Oh, she's gonna escape. She made a run for
I
it.
thought it would be a good idea.
She made a break for it. I just heard her car pull away.
I thought it would be a good idea. She brings me the cake that I was getting.
She's really stressed. The cat smelled the pork brains cooking. She's very excited about it. She's like, give me some pork brains.
She's really honestly interested.
Yum, pork brains. The brains are ready.
Oh, here they are.
Here you go.
It's like dog food, but worse.
Oh God, that's like.
You're gonna have a different opinion about this once you put it in your mouth.
That's what she said.
That's what I was gonna say.
That's what he said, yeah.
Here, I prepared a bite.
No, it's too saucy.
Oh, here, give them some.
Taste
Milk
that.
brains. So Yolanda brings you a very nice cake and you're gonna feed her brains.
First of all, my cake reeked of chocolate. This just reeks.
The cat's ready for hers.
Look at this.
Hold on. We'll see if she even likes it.
Oh yeah, give me them brains. Zombie cat, I knew it.
I can't.
Once you just do it, like you just go in.
Then
and
it's
you-
over, yo.
Yeah.
Okay, I can't. Okay.
Oh, do it.
Oh,
Oh, it tastes like it smells.
that's like it's just like a mushy meat.
It tastes like cat food. It's like kind of not gummy, but like
Pasty.
oh.
Oh, pasty. But I mean, would you take a second bite?
No. It's like it's stuck. Like I can feel the taste. There's an aftertaste.
That's for sure. I'll finish them up.
So if you actually want to see some quality content, go to Yolanda's channel and learn how to make this beautiful decaying tooth cake.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I want to thank Yolanda first off for tasting some brains with me, but second off to thank you for bringing this crazy f***ing cake to my house,
You're welcome.
all the way from another country.
That's right.
That's crazy. So be sure you check out Yolanda, do all the good stuff that you do here, comment, like, subscribe, and we will see you around here next time.
You look so excited there.
This is exciting. This cake is all the way from Canada.
I'm excited about that. I'm concerned about your video.
All right, we
And
got
I don't
it.
know if I want to be a part of that one.
We
I
got
want
it
to be
going.
in the cake video. I don't want to be in the brains video.
Yeah. Well, that's what we'll do. We'll have it on both channels. We'll have things. You can rotate. You can go back and forth.
Sure.
You know?
Between
Oh, is that how that works?
Yeah,
Between
yeah.
cake and brains.
It's like
Okay,
it's
great.
called the collab. You know?
It's a new thing.
That's genius.
It's good, right?
Yeah,
like
people should start
short
doing
for
this.
collaboration.
Oh.
You know what I'm talking
Yeah,
about.
that's amazing.
Interesting.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick.